In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and configure Git and GitHub on a Windows computer. Understanding how to effectively set up Git and GitHub is essential if you're planning to dive into the world of software development or improve your workflow in tech-related projects. Let's walk through this process together, step by step. First, we'll start by installing Git. Head over to your web browser and download Git for Windows. The official Git website is the best place to get it. Simply search for Git for Windows and you'll find the download page. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. You'll be greeted by the setup wizard. To keep things simple, it's usually best to stick with the default settings. So just keep clicking Next on each screen. This will ensure that you have a standard configuration that works well for most use cases. When the installation is complete, click Finish to close the wizard. Now you have Git installed on your system. Next up, you'll need to create a GitHub account if you haven't already. Go to the GitHub website and you'll see an option to sign up. Follow the prompts to create your account. You'll need to enter your information and verify it through an email sent to you by GitHub. Be sure to choose a username and password that you'll remember, as these will be your keys to accessing your account. Once your account is set up, it's time to integrate GitHub with your local machine using SSH keys. This step is crucial because SSH keys allow you to authenticate your communications and securely push code to your repositories without needing to enter your password every time. Go to your GitHub account settings and find the SSH keys section. You'll see an option to add a new SSH key. But before you do, you need to have an SSH key on your machine. If you don't have one yet, open Git Bash on your Windows machine. You can find this by searching for Git Bash in your Start menu. Once it opens, type in SSH keygen TED25519. See your email at example.com, replacing the email with your own. Follow the prompts and press Enter each time to accept the default options. This will generate a new SSH key. Now you need to copy the SSH key to your clipboard. You can do this by typing clip SSH ID ed25519.pub into Git Bash if you generated the key with the name ID ed25519. Now return to GitHub and paste your copied key into the designated field, giving it a recognizable title for future reference. Finally, click Add SSH key to complete the process. And there you have it. You've successfully installed and configured Git and GitHub on your Windows machine. You're now ready to create repositories, clone existing ones, and push your projects to GitHub, enhancing your collaboration within the developer community. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tutorials.